This is the thing that makes me uniquely me. Number 3, I want you to say that belief out loud early. Don't bury your stance in minute 8. The creators winning right now lead with the opinion. If you notice, I did that in the beginning of this video. You did everything right. Picked your niche. You posted consistently. You studied the gurus. And you're still invisible. Please listen closely. The problem was never your niche. Cheers. It's the first thing out of my mouth. It's the first thing out of their mouths, because it's the only thing the algorithm can't find anywhere else. I've got to give my opinion before the algorithm can find it. I've got to settle into it. And that's the thing, the other part, AI won't do that. It won't give you that kind of opinion unless you push it and say, no, what are the other opinions? You've got to get really specific, but you're still borrowing someone else's. It's not yours. Maybe there's one that you align with, but it's not just going to be yours off rip. And you've got to look for it too. So this is one that's really important, that you've got to put it out loud up front early on to build around that and not stack it on at the very end. And this is exactly why pick a niche advice keeps failing people. The niche was step 0. It's what you were already doing. That's the basis, right? Nobody told you about step 1. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to write this out. I want you to keep working on it. Like I said, if you're working with AI, I want you to keep on and keep on and keep on. The easiest, most natural way to do this is honestly by voice. So open up your microphone, talk to it, just go back and forth. Typing, it will take forever. But I want you to just dig into this and see what you can figure out. See if you can get to your identity statement. And as you get closer and closer and closer, and you're getting to that point where Gemini has helped you figure out what your identity is and your identity statement is, the next piece of content you make from that place, you're gonna find that you're more invigorated than you were before. But here's the next trap waiting for you. You'll take that identity and pour it into the content format that 99% of creators are still using, and that format is dying. The data on this it's brutal, all right? Story content isn't beating tactical content by a little, it's beating it by 100 to 1. That's the next video I'm making for you.